Hey guys, it's Danielle here, creator of Natural Beauty Row Hair Extensions and Isla Hand Tied Hair. Okay, so I've been getting some requests to create some holiday hairstyles. One of the things about my hair is my natural hair is very, very fine. And it's hard for me to recreate some of the fun hairstyles that you see on Instagram or on YouTube, mainly just because of the density of my hair. So I wear hair extensions and I love doing more like curling tutorials. Today I'm going to a holiday party, so I'm actually recreating my bouncy curls. I love these curls for a holiday party. They just seem a little bit more dressy. And what I love most about them is the longevity in the curl. It holds all night. My natural hair doesn't hold curl very well, but I feel like if I have a nice, fun, bouncy curl, it looks really, really good. So I'm using my 1-inch bioionic iron, and I like to section off the top of my natural hair, and then I blend that in after I've actually let all the curls out. Again, because my layers are a little bit shorter, I have to almost blend the layers in versus I can't wrap them or it disconnects my real hair from the extension hair. So I do that last. So first I'm gonna show you just kind of how I do these curls. I've already done half of it, and then I'm gonna show you how I recreate it. So I take 1-inch sections and I curl away from my face just like I would my signature curl, but I'm really gonna wanna wrap my ends all the way through on this. My other curls, I pull the ends through, but this one I'm actually gonna wrap my ends. After I pull that out, I literally don't have a mirror, so bear with me. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm just gonna tuck the ends in and then I'm going to pin it. So I'm literally, it's the same curl. The only difference is I'm wrapping the ends versus like say one of my beach waves. I'm gonna kind of put the heat more concentrated here and then undo, kind of unwind the curling iron. Whereas this one, a bouncier curl, I need more of that volume through the ends. So again, I am taking 1-inch sections, curling away from the face, making sure I want to get my ends in there and then wrap all the way up. And then the tricky part is I'm just gonna kind of like let the curl out of the iron and I wanna keep it kind of wrapped in here. And then again, I'm wrapping away from my face and then just pinning it in place. So that's really, okay, that did not stay because I don't have a mirror. So that's really all I've done so far on this side, and I wanted to kind of show you guys how I recreate that. So I'm gonna go ahead, get all of this wrapped, and then I'm gonna show you, once I get it all down, how I get my layers on top to really blend and give me that really, really bouncy. Okay, we've got them all pinned in. My bangs, I'm not gonna wrap. I usually like to over direct this section forward and curl it, and I don't want too tight of a curl through my bangs. Same thing. This one I'm actually gonna barely curl. I'm gonna have to finish curling when I get done. So this is kind of how it looks, and then I'm gonna show you, I just slowly start taking everything out when I get to this point, and then I'm going to kind of blend the top or fix any wonky curls. But again, I love this just for kind of a more bouncy, polished curl. It doesn't take too much longer than how I normally curl my hair, other than pinning it, but it does last longer, so that's why I do like it. So you can see these curls, it's almost like a roller set, like it looks a lot more bouncy. So I recreate it just using my 1-inch iron. It gets a little tricky when you get towards the back because you're like, where am I pinning this hair? I like to let them cool. This side's actually still a little bit warm, so I started taking out this side first. I like to let them cool for maybe like 5-10 minutes. You can do your makeup, come back, and then start to take them out. Once the curls have cooled, they're done setting, so you don't need to leave them in any longer. It's not gonna hurt if you do. Like I said, if you're doing your makeup or whatever you need to do, you can leave them in. Okay, so this side's still curling a little bit. After I take them out, I do like to brush through them. And again, you can see it's just a really pretty, voluminous, bouncy curl. And then through my top layers, I'm just gonna take these and just kind of blend them in. So here's some of my real hair mixed in with my extensions. And I'm just gonna curl that and literally blend all those layers in, and then I'll brush it out again once I get those top layers curled. But I like the curl in the bottom, so I want to keep that looking really, really bouncy. Okay, take out this side. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna finish off these curls and then show you the final. Okay, guys, I've gone through, I brushed out all of my curls. I did add just a little bit of oil to it. This is one that I'm trying just by Redken. So I added just a tiny bit of oil through the ends, give it a little bit of shine. And yeah, like I said, I like this curl for just more something that's gonna give me longevity. I feel like it looks a little bit more polished. This one looks really cute parted off to the side too. I'm actually going to a holiday party tonight, so I may change up the part, but I just wanted to show you guys how I recreate my bouncy curls. Hairspray down. All right, you guys, hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe, share, and tune into a new video every single week on hair tips and tricks. Again, I'm Danielle, the creator of Natural Beauty Real Hair Extensions, and this is my hairline, Isla hand-tied hair. I get a lot of compliments on how much shine my hair has, and honestly, it's the hairline. It's such a phenomenal product. So I'm gonna drop the link below this video on my extension technique as well as my hair, so you can check it out and find an artist near you guys. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.